Hi guys. My voice sounds a little funny behind this mask, but I can breathe really well and I feel airflow and it's not hot like a mask. And so I'm going to show you really quickly how I made this. It attaches onto my glasses. And down below I will have links for you for where you get the material and where you get the pattern. And so the one thing I want to show you is here's my printed pattern. And I drew squares over, let me see if I have a smaller size, I'll show you. I'm going to take this off so you can hear me. I drew squares over the little curves, and so the original pattern, these are the kid sizes, has little curves there. I found if I just cut a curve in the acetate, my glasses cracked it and it didn't go through smoothly. And so I drew these little squares, and then I cut them out with an X-Acto knife from Dollar Tree. So no big deal. So basically all I did was, let me turn the camera around. I don't know how to do that. That's okay. I'll just hold it up back here. Okay, so it's this clear acetate that you can get off Amazon. And I just put my pattern behind it. Like so. And traced it with a Sharpie, and then cut it out with scissors and used the X-Acto knife. Okay, then I'm going to splice in a video that shows how to get it onto your glasses. Okay, you ready? So the glasses are like upside down, and you're going to put the earpieces in, and it's going to bend and make a little U shape, and slide it all the way down to the lens, and then you can flip the glasses to the front.